Wow.
Very ugly magnet. You see, very ugly.
Very ugly?
Yeah, the box is very pretty. I love the box.
So why are you selling magnets, not the boxes?
It's my job.
It's just one box.
If somebody give you some mission to sell the magnets,
I see.
ugly magnets.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 33 of our travel daily vlog. We still in Mumbai, and right now we're going to Gateway of India again, and later on we will go to Colaba district. This is the same place where we've been yesterday morning, but now it's daytime and it's Diwali, so it's way more crowded. And you need to go inside through this security gate, so it will take long. He has a small printer with him. Here in this area you can rent a boat tour, speedboat tour, but I think we will skip this part and go to Colaba and corporate slums right away. This building's called World Trade Center Mumbai, but behind them, right just in a couple hundred meters, very huge slums.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. The people are very friendly here. Hello, thank you.
Sorry. Hey, mate, how are you?
Good, and you?
You're from where? Hi.
We arrived to the beach, or like if you can call this the beach, of course.
Don't go there.
So behind her is just the World Trade Center towers, and just look what's here. They say, Habibi, come to Mumbai. You know, in Europe people worry about recycling, and here thousands of slums. Like, what's the reason for recycling? I don't see any, especially those kind of new bottles in Europe where you can't remove the lid. That's stupid. If this kind of sound happen in favelas in Brazil, I think we will run away very quickly, right? Because it means someone were killed. But here it's just kids playing because of Diwali. But we can see the view. Hey, buddy.
Hi guys, new vlog.
Hi.
I listen to vlog.
Can I come in?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm well.
Oh, good. Can I come in?
Yes. Come here. Don't let me. Don't do there. Foreigner, foreigner. Foreigner.
Is Diwali starts today, right?
Yes.
It will be whole week.
How much
Very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, bye.
Eagle of light.
And this is probably graveyard for old ships and boats. Or maybe it's like repair dock. It's hard to say.
And we came here to see one of the locations from the movie Hotel Mumbai, based on real terror attacks happened almost 20 years ago. And the very first scene when the terrorists arrived in Mumbai by boat was filmed right here.
Hey. Just a quick stop at Starbucks to rest from heat and drink coffee for coffee addicted. And just look at these walls. This is our second apartment in Mumbai. Pretty big and clean room. We have washroom here. It's also better than previous one. And the most amazing, the window with the view. You ready, guys? Just wait.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Just look at this. Wow. That's wow. This is Marine Drive at the sunset, and it says the Diwali festival will be here, so we're gonna stay and see. From Marine Drive we decided to go to Shivaji Park because in Google it says that more fireworks will be in those area, and there is some very nice park with a lot of lights. So we go there by taxi, and it costs 300 rupee, which is about a bit less than $4 if you negotiate enough. Oh yeah, that was great decision because look here, like it's look like New Year in Europe. Everything is in light, and I hear a lot of fireworks already. But the biggest ones start about 10 p.m. or something like this. We need to double check. Let's go to the right.
7:30 to 7:40 there would be big sparkling show here.
Wow, thank you. Okay.
7:30 to 7:40.
But the largest firework will be at 10 or?
Good 10 minutes of loads of fireworks. You will enjoy
Lots.
the skies all colors.
Nice.
One of the biggest here.
Okay, thank you.
All
We
people
don't
are
have one.
gathering for this.
Yeah, we will go there.
10 minutes will get now.
Nice. So we're right in time.
7:30 will start proceed. 7:30.
Awesome.
That's it. 20 minutes more.
And it will be here, right? Thank you. So in 10 minutes, here will be one of the biggest fireworks. So let's wait. But it seems like only we are tourists here. I don't see any white people at all. I thought it will be like very touristic attraction, but no. And it's made this place even way better. Fireworks just from locals. It's even more impressive than just the regular one because it's so close and so loud. There is the kids, they like crazy. They want to kill someone for sure. And it's so loud. Diwali is the festival of lights, and Indians celebrate victory of light against the darkness and of good against evil. And they decorate their home and streets with these lights and lamps because the lights symbolize hope, joy, and new beginning. So it's a very kind and nice festival. This is the subway again, almost empty. It's evening time, right after Diwali festival. That's the closest subway station to this park where we've been just like an hour ago. And just see how empty is this. So guys, day 33 is over. It was the day full of contrast and experiences. We visited a lot of different districts of Mumbai. We've been in slums, at the Marina Bay. We saw Gateway of India monuments again. And in the evening, we came to the best spot in a perfect time to see Diwali festival and the fireworks.
So we enjoyed every moment of this day that ended up with full of light.
See you
guys
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.